Hello and thanks for tuning in. In this video, we're going to show you how to perform some basic cleaning and maintenance on the 2016 and up Honda Civic 1.5 Turbo blow-off valve. The tools required are a 3mm Allen wrench, synthetic grease, and simple green. Begin by cracking loose all 6 socket head cap screws. Remove every other screw. Since the piston assembly is under spring tension, apply pressure to the top cover plate and remove the remaining 3 screws. Once all the screws are removed, slowly lift up the cover plate. Be cautious as the piston assembly is under spring tension. Use the Allen wrench to push the piston out of the top plate through the vacuum adapter. Using a clean paper towel or rag, wipe off the dirt and oil residue. Use simple green to thoroughly clean all of the components. Wipe everything down with a clean rag or paper towel to ensure all surfaces are clean and dry. Begin reassembly by installing the valve plate on top of the base plate, ensuring that the 6 screw holes are lined up. Apply a small amount of synthetic grease evenly to the O-rings and inner wall of the cover plate. Place the brass piston flat side down into the center of the valve plate. Place the spring inside of the recessed pocket of the piston, ensuring it is properly centered. Push down evenly on the top plate, completely compressing the piston assembly. The piston will be captured within the top plate. At this point, you can perform a function check by compressing and decompressing the piston assembly. Ensure the screw holes are lined up. Apply pressure to the top plate and install every other screw, finger tight only. This will hold the assembly together. Finally, install the remaining screws and tighten them evenly. Do not over-tighten. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.